Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this rolling tray. It is by that brand right there. Let's go ahead and get right into this. So this is great for either like toasters, coffee makers, anything that you slide in and out constantly across your counter. This is going to make it a lot easier on yourself. And I have all of the above. I actually don't keep my toaster on the counter, but I do keep my coffee pot. And I have a Keurig and a coffee pot, and the coffee pot is always the one that I'm like having to move in and out, so that's why I wanted this. So this is how it comes packaged, and this is what it looks like. It does have like this like foam kind of board, and the bottom of it has these little rollers, and what you do is you push this down and then you'll roll it. So if you don't press this, you can't roll it because but it kind of locks it out. But when you press this down, it allows you to roll it. So let's go ahead and see this put to work. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.